Hello students, in this video I want to show you how you can use Google Slides to find the linear regression equation for a set of points. For revision, linear regression is the line that best represents a set of points on a coordinate plane, and its equation is then called the linear regression equation. So let's switch to Google Slides and see how we can do that. And the first thing that I need is my X and Y values. So I will just go ahead and label the cell A1 as X and then label the cell B1 as Y. And underneath X, I will have some values for X. And then underneath Y, I will have some values for Y. So let's just go ahead and put some values there. And so here are my X and Y values. So the next thing I want to do is I want to highlight my set of points. And once the points are highlighted, then on the menu Insert, I will go and click on Chart. So I want to insert a chart. And Google Slides gives me various options. And if initially you do not see a scatter chart as I see here, then on the right-hand side panel, you can actually select what kind of graph it is that you're looking for. And for a linear regression, the best kind of graph, of course, is a scatter graph. And then what you want to do is you want to customize. So on the right-hand side, it says setup, and then next to setup, it says customize. So let's go ahead and customize our graph. And it says I have series here. And underneath series, I have some options. I have data labels, and then I have trend lines. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on trend line, and I want to add a linear trend line. You can add multiple types of trend lines, but I'm looking for a linear trend line. And then if you go further down, then it says label. So under label, at this point, we have selected none, but we can say use equation. And as soon as do that, you can see that the equation is shown on the graph. And another thing that you can get here is R-squared value. Now, the R-squared value is important for statistics. It's called the variance, and it tells you how much of the variation in Y can be explained on the basis of variation in X. So that is all that you need to do in Google Slides, in Google Sheets to get your linear regression equation. So the linear regression equation that we have for our set of points is Y equals 5.91X minus 0.2 with a variance of 0.988. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share these videos if you think that other people can get help from these videos. So I hope you have a really, really good day, and I will see you later. Take care.